Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best epoxy resin floors is probably one of the most transformative choices you can make for your home or business, offering unparalleled durability, stunning aesthetics, and a seamless, easy-to-clean surface that will stand the test of time and elevate any space. In this video, we will explore what makes this product stand out from the crowd and guide you through the process of choosing the right epoxy resin flooring for your specific needs. Number 5. Dr. Crafty Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. It's time to get creative. Bring your artistic visions to life by making jewelry, home decor, or even preserving cherished mementos in crystal clear resin. Even beginners can create stunning resin art. Simply mix the two parts, following the easy instructions, and you'll be amazed at what you can make. From delicate earrings to impressive furniture coatings, it's perfect for any scale project. The possibilities are endless. This kit comes with everything you need to get started: measuring cups, mixing sticks, and spreaders. You'll be ready to create right away. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for wood finishes, creating stunningly clear coatings, and so much more. The possibilities are truly endless. It's strong, transparent, and designed to preserve your creations for years to come. Make lasting memories with your resin art. What we like. It comes with everything you need to get started, making it perfect for beginners. Its versatility allows you to create various projects, from small jewelry to large furniture pieces. If you're new to resin art and want a comprehensive kit, this is the one for you. What people say. Product came with easy-to-follow directions. This kit comes with pretty much everything that you'll need for your resin pouring adventure. The mixture gave me about an hour to 90 minutes of work time before it really began setting in place, 24 hours before the coasters were solid enough to pop out of the mold, and I gave it 2 to 3 days before packing up and shipping them as gifts across the country. Number 4. Craft Resin 2-Gallon Epoxy. Unleash your creativity with our premium epoxy resin kit. It's perfect for crafting stunning, durable pieces with a flawless finish. This kit provides a glass-like shine that won't yellow over time. Create beautiful art, jewelry, or even coat your tabletops. Say goodbye to frustrating bubbles. It's self-leveling and creates a smooth, even finish. For best results, work in layers no more than 1/4 inch deep. It's non-toxic, low odor, and free of VOCs, making it safe for home and professional use. Create beautiful, food-safe pieces with confidence. This epoxy cures completely in just 24 hours, resulting in a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish that can withstand heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit 95 degrees Celsius. Even beginners can use it. The kit includes everything you need: resin, hardener, mixing stick, gloves, and instructions. Get started on your next project today. What we like. This resin boasts an innovative formula that eliminates bubbles and ensures a smooth finish. It's also food-safe, expanding your creative possibilities. If you prioritize a flawless, safe resin for your projects, this is your best bet. What people say. Bubbles were minimal. I used a blow dryer twice and that got rid of a few bubbles. I was able to finish my project inside my house because there was very little odor. The finish looks like glass. Crystal clear. Reacts well with my torch when eliminating surface-level bubbles. Odorless. Strong and durable post-cure. It's more of a low viscosity and has very little bubbles. Can easily be removed by torch if any there. Dries crystal clear and hard. Super easy to use, 1-to-1 ratio. Number 3. Epoxy Resin Store 1-Gallon Kit. This 1-gallon epoxy resin kit is perfect for creating stunning, durable finishes. It's easy to mix and provides superior protection against scratches and moisture. It's ideal for various projects, from tabletops and jewelry to boat building and more. Its versatility makes it a must-have for any crafting enthusiast. This resin is incredibly strong and resistant to water, chemicals, and humidity. It creates a rock-hard, high-gloss finish that will last. With its simple 1-to-1 mixing ratio, it's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. You'll achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. It cures quickly, solidifying within 24 hours at room temperature. You won't have to wait long to admire your finished creation. Order your 1-gallon kit now and unlock endless creative possibilities. Transform your projects with this superior epoxy resin. What we like. It provides a high-gloss finish and protects against damage. Its versatility makes it suitable for various applications, from wood and metal coating to boat building. If you need a durable, high-quality resin for demanding projects, this is it. What people say. It barely smells, which is great. It's a fairly easy to deal with viscosity. It takes color well. It casts fantastically. It makes crystal clear and rock-solid creations. This epoxy was very easy to work with. It gave about an hour worth of work time, and in around 10 or 12 hours was pretty dry. It was easy to get the bubbles out and the final flood coat came out perfectly clear. It flowed nicely and sadly found a couple small holes that I neglected to fill. While my wife was spreading the epoxy out, I mixed the next batch. We poured the second half of the mixture and it flowed freely just like the first, mixing itself nicely with the first. Then we used a heat gun set on the lowest temperature and slowly and evenly used it to bring any and all air bubbles to the surface. Number 2. Crafty Resin Deep Pore Epoxy. This epoxy resin is designed for single pores up to 2 inches deep, saving you time and effort. Its crystal clear finish will make your projects truly shine. It's formulated to release air bubbles easily, giving you a smooth, even surface every time. No more frustrating imperfections. It's non-toxic, odorless, and free of harmful VOCs, making it safe for various applications, even those involving food. This resin cures quickly in just 48 hours and can withstand high temperatures, ensuring your creations are durable and long-lasting. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including resin, hardener, mixing stick, gloves, and instructions. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. What we like. It allows for single-layer pours up to 2 inches deep, saving you time and effort. The bubble-free formula guarantees a smooth finish. If you're working on large, deep resin projects, this is your ideal choice. What people say. When mixed properly, this is crystal clear, is dry to the touch in 48 hours and cures hard as a rock in about 5 days. If you follow the directions as stated, it works perfect. It mixes thin as deep pore epoxy should. I had no air bubbles since I had stirred it slowly by hand. It has a long working time of nearly 1 hour 45 minutes. The finished products come out beautifully every time, as long as directions are followed properly, and are typically able to be removed from the mold in the time frame stated. Oftentimes I'm able to pull before 24 hours. Number 1. PUDUO Epoxy Resin Kit. Introducing our crystal clear epoxy resin, perfect for all your artistic projects. It's designed for long-lasting results and easy application. This unique resin boasts a fast curing time. You can demold your creations within 8 hours and have a fully cured piece in just 1 day. Mixing is simple, just combine equal parts resin and hardener. You'll have a generous 45-minute work time to create your masterpiece. It's ideal for resin art, jewelry making, coating, casting, and more. Let your creativity flow. This kit comes with everything you need, 64 ounces each of resin and hardener, plus a convenient pump for easy dispensing. We stand behind our product with a 1-year replacement guarantee and lifetime technical support. Contact us with any questions. What we like. It cures incredibly fast, allowing you to finish your projects quickly. The crystal clear resin ensures stunning results. If you value speed and clarity in your resin projects, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very easy to use. Make sure to have the right 1-to-1 ratio. It is definitely self-leveling. It has little to no bubbles, and the few bubbles you have are easy to remove with heat gun. Most times a heat gun is not required. Mixes quickly and virtually absolutely bubble-free. The work time is about 30 minutes and soft cures in about 8 to 10 hours. Hard cures in 24 hours. It is crystal clear and shines beautifully. The pumps are easy to use, and it's so great that they come with little caps to prevent drips. The resin degasses really well and the results are absolutely crystal clear and so shiny. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.